because of the strong wind, the fires advance so fast. So we are very good to destroy. Look, this huge piece of land got burned by humans, not naturally, together with millions of insects and other living beings. If you are new on this channel and you would like to stay updated, please consider to subscribe. Thank you very much. It's someone's property already. I truly believe that this fire went out of control. So the firemen are trying to... They are there behind, they are trying to stop the fires, but they are moving so fast. Look here. The firemen are there trying to stop the fires, to slow them down, but it just, because of the strong wind, this area is also known for the border, the strong wind for the north. So because of the strong wind, the fires advance so fast. And this area, you know, it's a lot of rabbits, pheasants we've seen around this area. It's really a shame that this happened. So the police has come and they ask us to go away, to leave the area. It's such a shame, you know, because this area is so beautiful with a lot of wildlife.
The earth does not belong to man. Man belongs to the earth. All things are connected like the blood that unites us all. Man did not weave the web of life. He is merely a strand in it. Whatever he does to the web, he does to himself. Chief Seattle.
Okay, so I spoke to a local and he mentioned that the firemen took 45 minutes to come here and they are like 2 kilometers away. Anyway, apparently it was an accident, but you never know with these things, right? Okay, so it looks like the situation is under control now, but again, millions of lives of creatures and insects have been killed, so this is very sad. It was really a disaster, and that this happened. We found a huge amount of dead snails and frogs, birds' eggs, So sad to see all that. This is after the fire, and this freshwater turtle was completely burned. This is another burned freshwater turtle. Of course they couldn't escape. It really breaks my heart to see that. Completely burned, look.
If you are new on this channel and you would like to stay updated, please consider to subscribe. Thank you very much.